How to start free trial on Crunchyroll. Now you can actually start your free trial for 7 days on Crunchyroll if you have never started it before. Now this process should only be done once within one account, so you cannot do it multiple times and start your trial multiple times. Providing the guidelines, just go to crunchyroll.com and log into your account. After that, click on the try free premium option that you can see, and you can see 7-day free trial, or you can also click the profile icon and there you can see start free trial option for 7 days. So just click on it. Now, in order to even activate a free trial, you must also provide your payment information like your card details. So you can first of all choose a plan which is the fan plan. Most popular plan is the mega fan plan, or you can see the other one which is annual access. Based on what you want, you can click on start my 7-day free trial option right there. And after you've done that, you must provide your payment information like your credit or debit card, expiration date, security code or CVC, your country which cannot be changed, and your postal code, and then hit the finish checkout button. For 7 days, you will not be charged, but after 7 days, a certain amount of fee will be applicable and deducted from your balance of your payment method. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then start your free trial on Crunchyroll. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.